So now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Bitcoin, which is our BTC. So first thing first, those that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single update. And once you subscribe, you can also click on the bell notification so you'll be notified instantly when we got once we drop the updates. Now let's start with our movements right here on Bitcoin. What can we say the trend is on our Bitcoin? It is very clear, it is very simple. This is the current trend. Although the overall trend, the overall picture, the bigger picture on your Bitcoin, which is BTC, is a downtrend move. That is the overall bigger picture. I want you guys to have it in mind. The overall picture, the overall bigger picture on BTC is a downtrend move. But when you take a look at what market is doing currently, which is the current trend, which is a trend you are going to be making use of, market is what's trending to the upside. We are very much trending to the upside. We can see a series of higher high and higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low, right? Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Now with this higher low, market has now pushed up to form an equal high. So we should expect market to continue that bullish move till it's able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our BTC. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. Now if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'm going to do an update and let you guys know. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. So above all, we should be anticipating for a bullish move on our BTC for the day.